everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. With it being the beginning of February, I wanted to walk you through and share with you where I'm at with my Project Life album. And I wanted to share with you that I've really been using this tracker. This is a Project Life tracker that I created, and it just helps me to stay on top of things. I shared a picture on this on my Instagram page a while ago, and I got a lot of questions about it. It's just something that I created that helps me stay on track. And then I also provide this to my membership group. So I have a membership group. It's called Life Simply Documented, and it is a place where I share 90% of my documenting, my memory keeping, everything that I'm doing, I share there. And this is one thing that they have access to. So I already shared with you guys my title page and what I did for January. I used the Ali Edwards Joy themed kit for all of January. So you can see there, I'm all caught up. I filmed this the very beginning of February, and I was all currently caught up. I finished week 5 and got my photos printed. The other thing that I did last month is I purchased a Canon selfie printer, and that has been life-changing, you guys. I've loved it. So for February, I used the story kit by Ali Edwards and then the story by the month kit. And I just have all of my 3x4 cards in, my week cards, and then this will help me stay caught up as I'm down resting and recovering from my surgery. This will help me because all of my pieces are already in here for February. I just have to do my photos, and I will keep track of those and then be able to print my photos, or I'll probably send away for them maybe halfway through February and get those in. I'll have an insert for surgery related stuff, and then right here I have an insert for my Project Life Take 10. Another thing that my membership group does is we do something called Project Life Take 10. There's a theme every single month, and the idea is to take 10 photos either on the 10th of the month or to take 10 photos throughout the month in reflection of the theme. So last month the theme was around the house, and so you will look right here is my insert for Project Life Take 10, and I did photos all around the house, and then I'll journal about them. So my membership group is $10 a month. It's not very expensive at all. We have an entire website. You get a username, a password. You have access to all of my Project Life past classes. So I did a Project Life 101 class where I share a lot of videos. It was a 6-week class that had several videos per week of getting started and doing Project Life in the physical form and different tips and tricks. I have several week in the life videos that I've done and classes I've done. You get access to all of that when you sign up. So I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up to become part of that. I have lots of documents that I share. It's really the place that I dive in and I really sit down and I help you guys document whatever it is. Even if you're working in a smaller album, if you're using the Project Life app, if you're doing it digitally, it's just a place full of inspiration for you guys to stay on track with your memory keeping. We have a very active Facebook group where we have a live workshop once a month where I come in and I sit down and I share with you guys. So if you're interested, there's a link below, and there's a link on my website as well that can take you in to the page that has all the information for that. And I hope to see you in that group. I love our group, and I love the inspiration that we have there and learning from one another and really just being able to sit down and help you guys document your life. Like, I love that. That's my passion. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll be back next week to share with you some more.